Now, effective communication of insight through visualization. How do we properly communicate our visualization that will create an insight from what we've been able to visualize? So that's what brings us into effective communication of insight through visualization. Now, effective communication of insight through visualization involves several key principles. You have to know this to ensure clarity, simplicity, and impact. Here are some guidelines to follow when communicating insight through visualization. So I'm trying to emphasize here is that whenever you are presenting your visualization report, your visualization should have what? Should be able to communicate to your audience. So how do we create this effective communication of insight through visualization? How do we do that? One, understand your audience. You have to consider the knowledge, the background, and expectation of your audience. Tailor your visualization to their level of understanding and the insights you want to convey. Another effective way is choose the right visualization. Select a visualization type that best represents the data and effectively communicates the insight. Don't just pick any visualization tool and just present your result in here. You have to consider the variables, the relationship or patterns you want to highlight. Another thing you must consider in order to communicate insights is keep it simple and clear. Avoid clusters and unnecessary elements in your visualization. Focus on the key message and use concise titles. Use very good labels and legends to ensure clarity. Then another one is minimize the use of colors, fonts, and effects, and choose a clean and readable design. Don't cluster your visualization. Then you have to highlight the important insight. In order for you to have what to communicate effectively, you have to do what? Highlight the important insight. Then that is direct the viewer's attention to the most important insights or findings by using visual cues such as color, size, or annotations. Make sure you use use titles, subtitles, or captions to provide context and guide the viewer's interpretation of the visualization. Then another way you can communicate is provide adequate context. Clearly explain the data source, time frame, and any assumption or limitations. Provide relevant background information to help the audience understand the context of the insight. So use appropriate scale analysis. That is another technique of trying to communicate your visualization effectively. Use appropriate scale analysis.